So y'all, good afternoon. I don't even think I really came to y'all like that yesterday. Excuse my camera, y'all. Hold on, we in a drive-thru. So y'all, like I said, today is, I'll put the date. Today is Monday. I decided to stay 2 more extra days at my mom's house. Just because some family issues and stuff like that. So I am not going home today like I planned. I did stay over last night. Last night we just went to the grocery store and we got some stuff to make dinner, and then we just ate and went to bed, honestly. So like now we're just now getting up. I'm getting me a coffee and some donuts. I'm gonna go spend some time with my grandma. Thank you. Okay. We got some munchkins and some glazed donuts for my grandma and Aviva. So, and I guess I did this thing like if you buy something, you get like a free medium coffee on Monday. So, I've been hip to the little Dunkin' Donuts app recently. So, yes, I'm wearing the same clothes from the weekend. Yes, they were washed. So don't come for my head, y'all. But yeah, we're just gonna go spend time with Grandma Sherry today. My grandma Linda's in the hospital. I don't know if I will be able to go and see her today, but yeah. Thank you. So yeah, it's just gonna be more like a hanging out with everybody type of thing today. Just checking on family, chilling in the house type of thing. Not no real plans, honestly. Like I didn't plan on staying out here, but I just wanted to be available, you know, to just visit my family, because they literally have been asking me, Zakar, when's the next time you're coming out here? When's the next time you're coming out? And I'm like, I just happened to just come out here after my trip, but I ended up staying for 2 days. So, you know, yeah, not really no plans. It's kind of like a rainy day, a day you really want to sit in the house. But like I said, I'm gonna go see my grandma. I don't know what my dad's doing, so I don't know if I'm gonna go see him or not, but yeah. But yeah, y'all, if I pick up the camera and vlog, y'all know when I'm with my family, I don't be trying to have no cameras in their freaking face and all that other mess. But if I do pick up the camera, I will let you all know, and you guys will see me posting. Other than that, you probably won't see me doing anything. I'm probably in the wrong lane, but I'm turning. So y'all, it's about 3 something. I was just down here chilling with my grandma, and Aviva ended up falling asleep down here. So I think they're gonna take a nap together, and me and Camilla, we're gonna go get in her car and just go run some errands she has to run. She's off today. I don't really have no plans either, so I'm just like, well, we're gonna come with you to go run your errands. So that gives me some time away from Aviva. Not that she was bothering me or anything. I just know she was getting close to her nap time. So, yep. I'm gonna go and meet up with Camilla. And, oh, my car came on. Very nice. But I'm finna go and meet up with her. And yeah, I'll turn around here. Y'all, whenever I had an opportunity to not have to drive, look, I go park my car at either my mom's house or my grandma's house, baby, and I'm getting in with somebody else, because if I don't have to drive, I'm not gonna drive. So we were taking it slowly.
So why the hell would I go get my tires inspected if y'all only give me
$5 off and each tire is $400? So y'all, when did Dollar Tree start getting like self-checkout? Like, this is what I'm getting though. The Fire Start, 2 of my marble plates, and these Aqua Ardell lashes. But y'all, when did they start getting like self-checkout? So y'all, good morning. Today is May 9th. It's like 10:40 something in the morning. We all just woke up, about to eat breakfast. I forgot to show you what I got from the store yesterday when I went out with my sister. You guys saw us kind of going to different stores yesterday. I vlogged a little bit of some stuff we saw, some stuff we got, but I didn't actually get to sit down and show you what I actually end up buying. So y'all already know I go to Ross and I get those 99-cent bags. I'll be telling y'all about the Ross and Marshalls and the reusable bags, especially if you live in Chicago. They do still charge for bags out here in Chicago, so make sure you get some reusable bags for 99 cents. Like I said, you can go to Ross or Marshalls. They sell them for 99 cents. And they usually have like seasonal prints. They're really pretty prints. So let me go ahead and show y'all what I got. First things first is Dollar Tree. I found the Ardell Aqua Lashes, y'all. I cannot believe I found these Ardell lashes. Screenshot. But yeah, I found the Ardell water activated lashes. My sister took them to a really nice Dollar Tree. They were like fully stocked and everything. I only got one pair. This is the style 344. So we're gonna try those out here on the channel. They literally say it's a water activated lash band, and y'all know I love the brand Ardell. That's where I get my individual lashes from. When I do my individual lashes. Next thing I got was the Duraflame Fire Start. It is 4.5 ounces. It says at home or on the go wood fire lighter, and you can use it indoor or outdoor. Y'all excuse the Viva. Y'all know me. I always think something gonna happen and need to stock up on food, water, and supplies. Y'all know I keep matches. I keep everything emergency. So when I saw this, I was like, let me grab this. Not like I'm gonna be able to show y'all and try it out because it should only be for an emergency. But it just feels like it's like a block. And I guess you're supposed to light it. I mean, I'm sure there's instructions and stuff on here. But at the Dollar Tree, I was like, yeah, definitely go ahead and pick up one of these. The things that's wrapped in this paper are 2 of my marble plates. Y'all know I get my whole plate and dish set I have is from the Dollar Tree. The gray plates, the gray bowls, the gray little smaller plates I have. The only stuff that's not from the Dollar Tree that y'all see I'm currently using are those bowls from Sam's Club. But I'm finna get rid of them because they, first off, they cracked and chipped when I got them shipped to my house. Two, they just been cracking and chipping since. So I basically in the process of getting rid of those. And then you guys know I have the glass plates my dad gave me. I'm also finna get rid of those shortly too, once I replenish my stock of marble. So y'all, I found 2 of the marble plates from Dollar Tree. Only 2. I asked if they had any more in stock. She said whatever was on the floor was what they had, which I figured. So I only got 2 of those. And then also something I didn't show you guys that I got, but I ate, was I had got me a little Snickers bar because I was so hungry. But I did go ahead and eat that. So that was all from the dollar store.